Hi guys, just a quick update. In the videos that I have created about the funding that we had with $1 million for the Facebook and Instagram shops, I was getting messages, how can we get funding and stuff, and they said that if I have any news about the new funding, I'm going to tell you. So, the time has come. One Facebook representative actually sent this email, which is all about, it says I'm reaching out to this company, blah, 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 is eligible to participate in Business Asset Group Alpha Test, launching later this month. Funding is going to be 10k in ad credits after completing all requirements. Next step is simply respond to this email, blah blah, with this and that. So what you should do is that you should maybe show this video, this email, so that to your Facebook reps, so that they can start checking if you are able to also get that funding. It says the reasoning why they are testing. I'm just putting this here so that you can read it. I don't want to make this video long. I just want to share the information. But here I want you to see that it's fully funded 10k, so it's not, you're not giving any money about it. It's about a test opportunity for managed US clients only. So it's US only. If you're not in the US, you have a problem with that. It has also over here a bug demo, which is bug is the Business Asset Group demo, which is explaining what is it, and I'm going to put a link of that on the description. And also I'm going to put the create a business asset group in Business Manager. Also this link is going to be included in the description. What I want you to understand from this is this, that participants page will be migrated to new page experience. I'm going to put also this link. New page experience is the new thing that Meta is pushing. We have the classic pages, and now they want to introduce the new Meta experience, which is a completely other thing. And I want you to go and check what is the new page experience. This is why I will put also the link in the description about it, just so that you can understand what is the Business Asset Group. It is the area that you have over here into your business settings, as you can see, which you can come here and you can create a business asset group by just grouping ad account, page, and all of that together. If you have several stores in one business, you can now group them into different business assets. You will see the video that's explaining this thoroughly and in more details. And that's all I had for you. It's a new funding opportunity. Check with your Facebook reps if you can get it, and I will see you in the next video.